Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a virtual background on Zoom. So let's get started. First, open the Zoom app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see several options like New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. Now tap on New Meeting to start your own meeting. Then tap on Start a Meeting. For a few seconds, Zoom will open your camera and begin connecting the meeting. You might need to wait a few moments for it to load completely. Once the meeting has started, look at the bottom toolbar and scroll to the right. You'll see 3 dots more. Tap on those dots to open the Additional Options menu. Now from this list, select Background and Effects. This is where you can customize your video background. You'll see different options like blur, default images, or even the ability to add your own custom image. In my case, I have about 5 different background options, and you can preview each one by simply tapping on it. Try out a few and see which one looks best for your lighting and camera setup. Once you've chosen your favorite, just close the menu. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials.